Hello, my name is Joe and I'm a botany major.
I'm Mia and I'm a biology major.
And I'm Kavya and I'm an earth and climate science major. We're here at the University of Maine to give you an inside look at the College of Earth, Life, and Health Sciences.
It's a place where you can do incredible projects and research to help solve some of the world's biggest issues.
And the best part is, you can join all of our teams and everything we do from day one.
Let's take a walk around campus to see some of these experiences and the places you'll be doing this kind of work.
You can learn from plant breeders whose knowledge of plant genes and DNA are helping develop and improve crops. Like these famous Maine potatoes, they're making sure we have a healthy and productive food system.
You can work with our marine scientists to study the world's oceans, where they work on things like following lobster movements in the Gulf of Maine or tuna migration patterns across the world.
You can work side by side with our nurses, social workers, and audiologists in our first year at UMaine. They're helping to fight infectious disease and improve human health and well-being.
Study with economists who monitor markets and explore how science and policy can work together.
Explore our labs and be the first to identify and sequence genes that impact human health.
Would you rather do your work outside? Join our conservation biologists to learn about the life and habits of moose and black bears in the Great Maine Woods.
Or you can explore the forest itself and learn management techniques for keeping it healthy while promoting biodiversity, ensuring there is an ample supply of wood, fiber, and other forest resources for Maine and beyond.
And how about all the animals that don't live in the forest? We have those too. Work with robots that milk cows, zebrafish that mimic human diseases, and bees who ensure we have enough wild Maine blueberries to feed the country.
Travel with us to glaciers in Alaska, Iceland, and Greenland, and help us collect ice cores in Antarctica to help us study Earth's changing climate over thousands of years.
And this is just a small sampling of all the kinds of projects you can get involved with here at UMaine.
Our inspiring faculty will act as your mentors and colleagues, helping you every step of the way.
Then you'll be ready to tackle some of the biggest challenges we face today and make the world a better place.